construction in parking system using networks. The elements required for construction is as follows: relay, DC motor, limit switch, sensor, lamps. Relay is a simple switch. Relay is a simple switch. It is which are operated by using electrically and mechanically. Relay consists of electromagnet and set of contacts. The symbol magnet. The switching magnet. It uses different type of operating principles for working.
I will explain about DC motor. DC motor is used in many industrial applications. DC motor it is coupled with DC drive. DC motor is used with textile industries, elevators, convenience, etc. The DC motor, in this figure, DC motor has the parts of DC motor are frame, shaft, bearings, stator, rotor, and brush assembly, and a field and the field. Field windings are mounted on pole pieces. Field windings are mounted on pole pieces to form electromagnets. In smaller DC motors, fields are permanent magnets, and the armature is the armature is insertion between the field windings.
Good afternoon, friends. Now I am going to tell you about the disadvantages of multi-level parking system. And the first point is expensive, as the whole parking and required operation is multi-level. We know that to implement this system, we need hardware components, equipments, that all. So that's why definitely if you take the economic system, but definitely it is expensive. And the second point is any fault in the multi-level car parking system will lead to the great further and inconvenience to the people. As we know that the multi-level car parking system is totally depends on the technology. So that's why as we take mesh topology, that if any one system fails, then whole system will be failed. So as that mesh topology, this system is also same. If any one system fails in the multi-level car parking system, then the whole system will be failed, and it is an inconvenience for the people. And the third one is the power consumption is high to run such system. As I told in the previous point, it needs equipment or hardware, and it is a combination of software also. So that's why we know that the equipment definitely needs the power, but because of this system, it is very large. So that's why it needs a consumption of power high. This system is more complex to build. As I told you, it is a combination of hardware and software. It requires more cost also and very difficult to construct also. Customers have to pay large fares to park their vehicles in multi-level car parking system. As you know that there are two systems in car parking. The first one is the traditional system and second one is this one. If you take about the traditional system, we need not to pay so much money. But if you take this system, as we know that it is implemented by technology, so that's why we have to pay the more money for this system. And it is very, sometimes it is very difficult for the people also. Construction cost is very high. In order to implement the multi-level car parking system, one needs to set up and assemble the hardware components and write a program to control the multi-level car parking system. As I told, it requires the equipment, hardware, and it also needs the software. So it is very difficult to set up and assemble the hardware components, and we have to write the software program for it. So it is considering all these points, we can say that it has some disadvantages also, as well as, however, it has advantages, but it has some disadvantages. So thank you.